Wake up call. The truth about financial education for our kids. Did you know that most children and adolescents grow up without understanding how money works? Who's to blame? Governments? Culture? It's time to open our eyes. Parents play a crucial role in shaping their children's financial understanding. Many households lack discussions about money management, leading to a lack of financial literacy among the younger generation. Additionally, educational systems could benefit from integrating comprehensive financial education to empower students with essential life skills. Addressing these aspects collectively can contribute to a more financially literate society. In the real world, our youth hit a financial wall. Credit cards, savings, loans, they're just words, but do they really understand what they mean? As young individuals navigate the real world, they often encounter a financial barrier due to a lack of understanding about concepts like credit cards, savings, and loans. These terms may be familiar, but the nuances and potential consequences are often unclear. It becomes imperative to bridge this knowledge gap by promoting financial education that goes beyond definitions, empowering the youth to make informed and responsible financial decisions. Is it the responsibility of governments? Western culture? Why do we keep ignoring the need for robust financial education for our children? The responsibility for robust financial education extends to various stakeholders, including governments and cultural norms. Governments can contribute by incorporating comprehensive financial literacy programs into the education system. Western culture, often driven by consumerism, could benefit from a shift toward prioritizing financial education. The persistent oversight of this need might be attributed to a combination of factors, including competing priorities and a historical lack of emphasis on financial literacy. Recognizing and addressing these factors is crucial to breaking the cycle of inadequate financial education for future generations. Imagine a world where kids learn about money, savings, investments, a world where they are prepared for economic challenges. That's what we need. In an ideal world, children would receive education about money, savings, and investments, preparing them to navigate economic challenges confidently. This comprehensive financial education would empower the younger generation to make informed decisions, foster a culture of financial responsibility, and contribute to a more economically resilient society. Striving towards such a vision is essential for creating a future where individuals are well-equipped to manage their finances wisely. That's why we created this channel. Here, we will break the mold and equip our youth with the financial knowledge they desperately need. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, we'll cover it all. In this channel, we're committed to shattering the conventional mold by providing a dynamic platform for youth to acquire the financial knowledge they urgently require. Beyond fundamental concepts and advanced strategies, we aim to foster a community that encourages open discussions, real-world applications, and practical insights. Our mission is to empower the younger generation, not just with information, but with the skills and confidence needed to navigate the complex landscape of personal finance. Welcome to a space where financial education transcends the ordinary, equipping our youth for a prosperous future. Join us in this educational revolution. Subscribe, engage, and spread the word. It's time to change the financial future of our youth.